To start, picture two moments. You, mid-afternoon, simply ask an AI assistant to update your availability and reschedule your remaining meetings without ever looking at the calendar dashboard. Or imagine the client calling a number, having a fluid human-like voice conversation, and securely booking a spot on your calendar without ever touching a screen or waiting on hold. Not so long ago, neither of those was realistic. For decades, professional software has forced us to adapt to it, training our teams on where buttons live, asking clients to click through multi-step forms just to get a simple appointment on the books. The user interface has historically been an administrative hurdle we had to tolerate and overcome. And today we're living through an AI revolution that's changing that dynamic. We're moving away from click-heavy manual interfaces into an era of natural conversation. The technology finally adapting to us instead of the other way around. The best user interface moving forward is increasingly no user interface at all. It's about removing the friction so you can focus on your work while AI reliably handles the operational logistics. So to walk us through exactly how OnceHub is bringing this conversational revolution to life, introducing the MCP for your internal workflows and the AI phone agents for your guests, I'm happy to introduce the CEO and founder of OnceHub, Rami Gorali. Rami, welcome.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Aviram. Thank you, everyone, for joining me today. So I'll get started. We'll discuss AI interfaces for users and customers, specifically as they relate to scheduling. So like Aviram said, language is the new interface. And we all know that we spend hours clicking through dashboards, copying links, and typing emails. Today, we're looking at a paradigm shift. Language is the interface. So the agenda today, I'll start with the user side, the MCP. MCP is the Model Context Protocol. It's a standard for the AI assistants to talk to other applications and data sources, basically a conversational API. So we will look at this and how we can automate scheduling workflows using our AI assistants. Then we will look at the interface for the customer. So the customer or the guest can actually book meetings now using a phone, just by speaking to the phone, speaking to the booking page that used to be powered by the user interface only. So let's start with the MCP story. What are the benefits of MCP integrations? So once you connect OnceHub to either Claude or to ChatGPT, you get the following benefits. First of all, you can run scalable actions. For example, if you are sick, you need to go to OnceHub and you need to cancel the meetings one by one. Instead, what you can do is just tell your AI, I'm sick, cancel all the meetings for today and request reschedule. You can also run integrated workflows. So if you have OnceHub connected and also Gmail or your CRM, you can run a workflow that will combine more than one app together. And of course, mobile flexibility. We all talk to our AI assistants, and maybe you're driving and you need to do something, you need to block your availability. The easiest thing to do is just to talk to your AI assistant and get it done. Okay, so let's start with example number one. It's a high-scale outbound prospecting use case. So let's say that we're giving a seminar talk on retirement options. And for the seminar, we're collecting the name, the email, and the reason for attendance from each attendee. And after the talk, we want to follow up with an invitation to schedule a discovery call. This is the prompt. So let's look at the prompt. Generate a OnceHub one-time booking link that is also personalized with name and email for each person in this table. This is the table, and it has a sample of 4 clients, but in reality, you'll have maybe 40 clients that attended the webinar. So we'll use this sample of 4 clients. So we'll use this the clients in the table. Then create a personalized email draft in Gmail. So we're using both OnceHub and Gmail that are connected via MCP to the AI assistant, to Claude. So create a draft in Gmail for each prospect, referencing their specific reason for attending. This is the reason for attending. So let's copy the prompt. And I'll paste this in Claude. And I'll also paste the table. And let's let it do its magic. So let's see what it is doing. Okay, so it's getting a one-time booking links. It found the discovery call calendar. So if we go to booking calendars, this is the discovery call booking calendar that it found. Let's go back to Claude. Okay, so it's generating the links. Now it's generating the drafts. Let's go to Gmail. And this is the drafts. Okay, the drafts are starting to appear. We have 3. We'll probably have 4. Here are the 4 drafts. Let's click on one. Okay, so we can see this is for Elena, and this is for Robert. And you can see that the message here is tailored based on the reason for attending. Congratulations on your early retirement package. And this one, I understand you'd like to better understand estate planning and how to minimize tax burden. So basically, it depends on the attendance reason. Claude very nicely crafts the email. And this is the link. So I'll click on the link. So this is a one-time link. Let's look at next month. It's a one-time link. You can only book once. We don't want the prospects to book multiple times, so they'll only be able to book once. So let's pick a time. And you can see that it already has the prospect's name, Robert Chen, and also the email. It's actually here in the URL. So Claude knows how to do this. It knows how to create a personalized link. So it's much faster for the guest to schedule. And basically all we need to do is we can schedule as it is now because these are not mandatory fields. So let's schedule. And if I refresh and try to schedule again, the scheduling link is no longer valid. So this was easily done with Claude. You can see the summary of what was done. So if we had 30, 40 prospects, this could have saved a lot of time, maybe an hour, maybe even more. Let's go to the second scenario now. So the second scenario is a crisis. The market is down more than 3% today. And we're expecting many panic calls from clients. So we want to cancel all meetings this afternoon. We want to send the requests to reschedule. And we also want to block my availability for the rest of the day so that I don't get any more bookings. So let's see how to do that. This is the prompt. The stock market is down by more than 3%. Find my upcoming meetings for the rest of the day. Request them to reschedule due to market turmoil, and then block out my working hours for the rest of the day. Let's copy. And we'll go to Claude again and paste it. And let's see it working. So if we go to the activities, should see meetings starting to get canceled here. Still thinking. It's taking more time than usual. Okay, now it's starting. Okay, get upcoming meetings. So it's finding the tool. And it will probably say it's canceling. Request the guest to reschedule. Yeah, okay, it's doing it now. So we can refresh the activity stream. And here we can see them coming, the cancellation. So this meeting was canceled. And you can see due to a significant market turmoil today, I need to step away to focus on client portfolios. I'd like to find a new time for us to connect. So this one was scheduled, was canceled. This one was canceled. Yeah, I had 3 meetings. Yeah, all 3 were canceled. All 3 are canceled. And if we go to the inbox, so this is what the client will see. So the client sees reschedule requested. So the same reschedule reason, due to significant market turmoil today, I need to step away, focus on client portfolios. And the client will just click on reschedule the meeting, and they'll be able to reschedule for a different day. So that's that. And then there is also the blocking of the availability. So if I go to schedule meeting availability, you could see that now I'm marked as unavailable for today. That's it. I cannot get any more bookings. Yes, so that's it. That's the second scenario, also very useful. And this is the current tool set that OnceHub has with Claude. You can see all the tools here. You can also see them in Claude. If we go to customize and click on connectors, we can see all the tools that OnceHub currently has. So this is fairly new. So it's only the beginning. We will be adding more tools. And the tools that we add depend on the use cases that you need. So if there is something that you want to do now and you cannot do it because the tool is not available yet, reach out to us and we will add the additional tools. Also for Gmail, there aren't too many tools yet. So it's a growing thing, and yeah, just tell us if you want to do something and it cannot be done due to the tools not being available yet. Okay, so now we'll move to Phone Agent. Okay, so what's the Phone Agent? This is basically a conversational interface over your booking calendars, the booking hubs, as well as the routing forms. And it's available via standard phone number. We have phone numbers for US, Canada, UK, and Australia. For other countries, you need to ask us. We need to organize it. And basically, the Phone Agent uses the existing object configurations. It's not relying on any prompting. It's using the exact configuration of your booking calendar, booking hub, or routing form. In terms of use cases, there are 3 use cases. For busy professionals, if you're in a meeting, the phone rings, you cannot answer. So you set automatic call forwarding rules. They can forward to the Phone Agent. For phone first clientele, those that prefer to schedule directly with a phone number, with a phone, rather than with a GUI, then you can give them a direct number to call into. And for office operations, when a call comes in and there's a need to schedule it either from the IVR or a warm transfer, we can easily transfer it into the phone agent. The phone agent is off by default in the account. So when you first sign up for an account, phone agent will be off. You'll need to turn it on because it's an AI feature. The conversations are bounded. You can only schedule or leave a message. You cannot do anything else. There is no prompting, no inputs. The phone number is dedicated. It has a cool-off period. And because you can generate multiple phone numbers, you can have a phone number for each booking calendar. You can duplicate the booking calendar with another phone number. It's also good for attribution tracking, the different phone numbers. And the environment, it's a secure Azure hosting, a private OpenAI instance, and there's no training on your data, of course. And the phone agent is building on all the scheduling experience that we've accumulated during the last 15 years. Everything that the booking calendar can do on the GUI, the phone agent can do via voice. So let's start with the product demonstration. And before I start, I want to talk about the Mac versus the Windows approach, because there are many competitors that do phone scheduling today. Typically, the way they do it is that there is a voice vendor and there is a scheduling vendor, and they talk to the voice vendor talks to the scheduling vendor via the API. So that's the modular approach. That's like the Windows approach, where hardware and software are two separate vendors. So in this modular world, the voice vendor, they want speed, because they want latency is like the enemy of the call. They want it to go as fast as possible. The calendar vendor wants bookings. That results in inaccuracy. We are looking at the big picture because we are providing both the scheduling and the voice, and we can prioritize accuracy over just conversational velocity. So how is it translated into action? If I look at accuracy and speed, most competitors start here, and maybe it looks good in demos, but if you do another call and another call, you may start to see problems, inconsistencies. And typically the use cases are so simple, no time zone, no multiple locations, and it's hard to put it into real life use. We started here. We're not ashamed to say that we started with high accuracy but slow speed. We started a year ago. Today we're here, we're in a better place, and we're in this for the long run, so we will continue to improve it until we will be here, but we will maintain the accuracy. We're not compromising on accuracy. So let's jump into the first scenario. It's a direct calling scenario for phone first clientele. We'll see a booking calendar with a single online location. It's using pooled availability of 4 advisors with priority and workload rules. We will see automatic time zone detection. We will see automatic phone number detection and SMS notifications. So the entire booking is going to be done with phone, no email, no email collection. Okay, so let's go to the app, booking calendars. And this is the discovery call, booking calendar. And this is the phone agent. We can see the number, we can see the welcome message. And I'm going to get my phone. I'm using Google Voice to call.
Thank you for calling RetireWell, the experts in retirement planning. I am an AI assistant on a recorded line. Would you like to schedule a discovery call with one of our expert retirement advisors?
Yes, please.
The meeting duration is 30 minutes. When would you like to meet?
Next week.
I've identified your time zone as Pacific time. Shall I use this time zone?
Yes, this time zone is correct.
Online slots are available next week. Would you like to go with an online meeting option?
Yes, that's good.
Great. There's an available online slot on Monday, July 6th at 11 a.m. Pacific time. Would you like to book this time?
Yes, this time is good. Thank you.
Could I please have your first and last name to continue with the booking?
Yes, my name is Gloria Guest.
Just to confirm, your first name is Gloria and your last name is Guest. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Would you like to receive SMS notifications for this meeting?
Yes, yes, please.
I have a number of +1 650 275 2398. Can I use this number for SMS notifications?
Yes, please use this number.
I have a few questions regarding the meeting. Is there anything specific you would like to discuss on the call?
Yes, I would like to discuss my retirement options.
Please wait a moment while I confirm your meeting. Your 30 minutes online meeting is confirmed for Monday, July 6, 2026 at 11 a.m. Pacific time. You will receive an SMS with the detail. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you for reaching out. Have a great day.
Chris, the SMS will arrive. This is the Google Voice. It should arrive in a second. You see that here we're asking for the email address in the GUI, but not on the phone because we can identify the caller according to the phone number. If I go to the configuration of this booking calendar and go to the booking form, so we are collecting the email address. That's the email address field, but we have this checkbox checked. Do not ask for email address when bookings are made via phone agent. So this is how we can collect it via the GUI, but not ask for it when the phone agent is scheduling. And we should have the SMS now. Yes, so this is the SMS. You can see all the details are here, the link to join the meeting, the Zoom link, cancel the scheduling. It's all here. Okay, so that was the first scenario. Let's go to the second scenario. So this scenario is a call forwarding scenario. So the advisor is in a meeting and there is automatic forwarding to the phone agent. We're going to see a booking calendar with a single host now. We will see multiple location options, online, phone, and in-person locations. OnceHub has a true multi-location availability. For each time block, you can specify which locations are used for this time block. So we will see that. We will also see time and location optimization. So let's go to the application, go back to booking calendars, and we're going to look at the planning meeting. Okay, so that's the planning meeting. I'll call.
Hello. You are speaking with an automated assistant on a recorded line. You can schedule a meeting with Henry or leave a message. What would you like to do?
Schedule a meeting, please.
The meeting duration is 1 hour. When would you like to meet?
Later today in the afternoon, if possible.
I've identified your time zone as Pacific time. Shall I use this time zone?
Yes, please use this time zone.
For later this afternoon, we have slots available today, Tuesday, for a phone call or an online meeting. Which do you prefer?
Any one of them could be good. The important thing for me is that the meeting will be at 5 p.m. or later.
Let's go with the earliest available time after 5 p.m. There's a phone call slot available today at 5:30 p.m. Would you like to proceed with booking this?
Yes, that would be great.
This meeting is set up as a phone call. I have your phone number as +1 650 275 2398. Would you like to use the same number for the call?
Yes, please.
Please wait a moment while I confirm your meeting. Your 1 hour phone call on +1 650 275 2398 is confirmed for Tuesday, June 30th, 2026 at 5:30 p.m. Pacific time. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you for reaching out. Have a great day.
Okay, so you see here we are asking for full name and for email address, but email address we're not collecting because we're identifying the caller by the phone number. And then the full name, there is no need to collect because I was calling in the previous scenario, I was calling with the same number. And because it was the first time I was calling, we were asking, the phone agent was asking me for my name. So I said, my name is Gloria Guest. Now it's stored in the OnceHub contacts database. And as soon as I call, the phone number is identified. It already knows my name. So there's no need to ask for it again. So we are trying to do everything as efficient as possible and not ask for any information that is already known to us. Okay, let's move to the third and last scenario. So this is a scenario with a booking hub, not with a booking calendar. We'll see a booking hub with 4 practice areas, and we will see how we can route in 2 ways. One is based on the intent of the caller, and the other one is based on a menu of options. I want to show you the booking. So this is the booking hub. So basically, it's a low office. You can see they have 4 practice areas. And the caller either knows what they want or they would like to be read the options. So let's go to the booking hub. So this is the booking hub, Premier Legal Solutions. And we'll call the phone agent.
Thank you for calling Premier Legal Solutions. Your matter is important to us. To find the most appropriate attorney for your priority consultation, please tell me what you are interested in. Alternatively, would you like me to tell you which services we offer?
Tell you why I'm calling. This morning I was shopping in the mall. The floor was wet and I slipped and hurt my back. I was taken to a doctor, and the doctor said I should also consult a lawyer about this incident.
I'm really sorry to hear about your accident. We have a personal injury consultation option that might be perfect for your situation. Would you like to go ahead and schedule a meeting for that?
Yes.
The meeting duration is 30 minutes. When would you like to meet?
Okay, I stopped this because we've seen scheduling enough, but this was one way of routing. I'll show you the other way now. So I'll just call again.
Thank you for calling Premier Legal Solutions. Your matter is important to us. To find the most appropriate attorney for your priority consultation, please tell me what you are interested in. Alternatively, would you like me to tell you which services we offer?
Yes, I would like you to tell me which services you have.
We offer several types of services that you can schedule a meeting for. Here are the options. 1, family law. 2, personal injury. 3, estate and legacy planning. 4, real estate. Please let me know which one you are interested in, and we can proceed to schedule a meeting for that service.
Can you tell me more about the estate and legacy planning?
Estate and legacy planning can help you with everything from creating simple wills to setting up complex trusts. This service ensures that your assets are protected and your loved ones are taken care of according to your wishes. Would you like to schedule a meeting to discuss your estate and legacy planning needs?
Yes, please.
The meeting duration is 30 minutes.
Okay. So we saw another way of routing. So that's it for the demos.
Thank you and have a great day.